Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfriend multiple inactive friends from your friend list in just one click. Okay, so let's get started. So first open Facebook, then click here, go to your profile. Okay, now scroll down a little bit and click on your friends. Okay, here you can see your friend list, click on manage. Okay, now you can see a category least interacted with. So these are the people who are least active on their profile as well as least interacted with you. Okay, so if you want to unfriend them, then just select that person or choose that person and click on unfriend. Click on unfriend again and that person will be unfriended from your friend list. Okay, so this is one option. And if you want to unfriend multiple people at same time, then click on this, select multiple and select those person according to your preference. Okay, and click on unfriend, confirm it, and they will be unfriended from your friend list. So this is simple. This is how you unfriend multiple inactive friends from your friend list. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.